Okay, you'll notice on this page, you will be asked to solve a two-step word problem. What this means is that the answer I get in part A, I'm going to need to use to help me solve part B. We've been doing this in school, but let me refresh your memory and remind you what this looks like. So the directions say to label the problem with GST, group size total, part or whole, P or W. Solve each problem by showing your work, then be sure to write an answer with a label. Let's look at what this looks like. Lydia has 12 stickers in one pack and 20 stickers in another pack. How many stickers does she have all together? I'm trying to figure out how many there are all together, which means I'm looking for a whole or a total. So let's go back and look at the other information given. She has 12 stickers in one pack and 20 stickers in another pack. Those are not equal groups, 12 in one, 20 in the other. I think to figure out how many there are all together, I would just combine those two amounts or add. So I think 12 is part of her stickers and 20 is the other part of her stickers. And I know I would do part plus part equals whole to solve this. So I know that I would be doing an addition tape diagram where I have part, and then whole on the top. So I have 12 and 20, those are my two parts, and I don't know my whole. So I'm going to add 12 plus 20, and I like to write it this way in case I need to regroup. I have 2 plus 0 equals 2, and 1 plus 2, which equals 3. So my whole, or my total, is 32. The last thing I need is an answer with a label at the bottom. So this means I need a number and a word. How many stickers does she have all together? She had 32 stickers. This helps my teacher clearly find my answer and helps be sure I don't get it wrong from not writing the correct thing. So what I want you to notice is I've labeled my problem, I have drawn a picture, I wrote an addition equation, and I wrote an answer with a label. Let's go ahead and see if we need any of this information to solve part B. She splits the stickers up equally into 4 folders. How many stickers can she put in each folder? Okay, what sticks out at me the most is split equally. I know when I hear those words, I am dividing something up. I'm splitting it up equally, which means division. So the only number I see is that she's splitting it onto 4 folders. So I know I might need this information that I found up here to help me solve part B. So 32 stickers, I think when I found that was the total or the whole. So I think the total could be 32 and 4 folders, splitting them onto 4 folders. I think those are the groups. My question says how many stickers can she put on each? Each means size and it's in the question, so I don't know size. So what I'm going to stop and look at is that I do know, I know my total and I know my groups. And I know that anytime I have T and G, I do T divided by G. So I would be doing 32 divided by 4. In order to figure out what that equals, I need to draw a picture. 4 groups are something that I know I can draw. And I know that I can count out 32 until I run out, or fair share. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. I can count how many are in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 32 divided by 4 equals 8. The very last thing I need is my answer with a label, which would be a number and a word. I'm going to go back to the question and see what it was asking. How many stickers can she put on each folder? So I now know that I would need to write 8 stickers. Okay, before you go to the next page, you need to understand all the steps you need to get all the points you need for a word problem. First of all, you should have labeled your word problem. So up here I should see things underlined and numbers circled. The second thing you need is a picture. Up here you'll notice I drew an addition tape diagram. Next, you need an equation. You'll notice right here I did 12 plus 20 is 32. And last, you need an answer with a label, a number and a word, which is over here at the bottom. Down here, I also labeled this word problem, drew a picture, wrote an equation, and wrote an answer with a label. So those are the 4 things you need when you solve a word problem. And I should see all of those things done on each page.